goes all the way around. I love it. This is adorable. This is what you want to get a picture of?
I did.
It's adorable. This is so cute. Did you see this?
Oh.
Oh, she's giving me a picture of Dino's sonogram.
Do we know what it is?
Is it 1, 2, 3? Oh my God! Congratulations! Oh my God! Oh my gosh!
Congrats.
Oh my God! What did you do?
July.
Yellow! Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, I gotta sit down. Good thing I have that Sambuca for the coffee. Oh.
So that's why I wanted you to come in here to unwrap it.